your children fall into the danger age range of 10 to 12, you probably want to remove them from the theater venue at this time. Under 10 years old, the jokes will go right over their heads. And away, over 12 years old, they know everything already. 10 to 12, you guys explaining to 12 this show. You have to have that talk. This show does count as 7th grade health class. Teenagers, if you are here with your parents, we recommend that you not sit with them. You don't want them to know what you already know. Trust me on this, you think it's fine right now, sure, but halfway through the show, you're laughing uproariously at the oral sex jokes, and I'm like, hello? And this is a quiet ride home in the car, forever. The 2 rows behind your parents, they can't see that. All right, so that's taken care of. Nobody left, so that's good. Penis! Together again for the first time. Alright, well, usually that scares people away, so that's fine. Alright then. All's well. Two things about this breeze that are nice. A, cooling. B, new microphones. No breeze noise. I'm guessing several of you have seen this before in previous years. Yeah.
Get it. I want to fall over.
$1,800 worth of no breeze noise. Yeah. Only the best for you people. Bye, show fans. Who here has never seen the Sound and Fury show before? That's us. Wow, good luck. And who here has seen us for the very first time? Most of the same people. You've had breakfast,
Manny, if you sit over there.
All right, what time do we have? Let's start this in time. 2 minutes. Great. All right. So here's what we do to get you warmed up for our shows. We tell some dirty limericks. Would you like to hear a dirty limerick? Yeah! That didn't stop really for energy. Let's try one more time. Do you want to hear a dirty limerick? Yeah! I love this. All right, kids, you can tell us when it's school. Oh, there they are. There once was a man from Rangoon whose farts could be heard from the moon. When you least expect them, they'd rip from his rectum like the roar of an angry baboon. True story, though. There once was a woman from Nizes whose breasts were of 2 different sizes. One was quite small and worth nothing at all, the other was large and unbridled. All right, Riddler. Yes?
Are you doing limerick?
I am.
Can I do one?
Yeah, of course you may, Ryan.
There once was a girl from Van Lunt, whose assets were all at the front. An exquisite rack, a respectable back, and the world's most beautiful eyes.
I was worried too. Let's see, Come on in, come sit closer. Everybody move down a couple of rows. This is ridiculous. No. What are you afraid of? No, we don't want to be.
It's like church.
Look, the fairies are moving closer. Next to the children. Their wings. Drunken fairies backing their wings. There's a bone. Alrighty then. So what I was going to say was that we'll be starting the show here in just a second. It's just a little naughty. It's a brand new show. We wrote you a brand new show, and B, please be forgiven. So we'll be doing this one now and at 4:30 today, and we'll be doing the original Testicles in the Sack of Rome at 12:30 and 2:30. For those who've never seen us before, come back at 12:30 and 2:30. We will be premiering the sequel to Testicles Descending, probably next weekend. So you'll have to just come back to it. All right, on the count of 3, if everyone would yell, hey, Patrick and Ryan, it'll bring them to the stage and we'll get started with this mayhem. All right, so Patrick and Ryan, count of 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Hey, Patrick and Ryan! Hang on. And now you cheer.
I can't. I got trapped.
You know, it kills the whole effect if you're...
No, it doesn't. It's late.
Yay! Hi, gang! So it's a happy trend. Most of them have seen us before.
All right.
Yes. They seem to be excited, a little moist.
Moist day.
What are your costumes?
What else?
I don't know. So, like I said, new show and everything happening. So, Should we just...
Wait a minute.
We'll just get started.
Yeah.
And he can do this.
Okay, that works for me.
Okay. My lords and ladies, we are Sound and Fury. And this day,
We bombastically bring to these baleful boards a beacon of pathos from the barn.
William Shakespeare's most famous tragedy,
Hamlet
Hamlet,
and Juliet.
Juliet.
No. That's what we're doing Romeo and Juliet this week. Let's not prepare.
He told me Hamlet. I spent all week learning lines.
Dad? What? What show are we supposed to be doing?
The Full Montague! Right here. I got the costumes. I brought the costumes in.
We're not. Everybody?
Ladies and gentlemen, apparently there has been a scheduling conflict, so there's only one thing we really can do.
Sound and Fury shall now present William Shakespeare's unintentional tragedy, Hamlet and Juliet.
You can narrate.
The prologue!
Just we'll take care of it. I'll go. Two classics,
Both
alike
in
Dig
Nitty,
in
fair,
Elsinore,
where
we
lay our
a
youngish,
pair,
entering,
puberty,
fine,
royal
look,
mix,
royal,
hands,
unclean. We'll meet a murdered king within this prose.
and a pair of star-crossed lovers take their life.
As we both seen and word must juxtapose, and take to Shakespeare's lines with sharpened knife. Ophelia does not fit within our play.
And likewise Tybalt meets his timeless end.
For 20 minutes we will be risque, and two plots into one we'll try to
And
bend.
I don't bend that way.
Here's hoping that will cause no consternation.
And in the end, you leave a large donation.
Thank you. Thank you.
I now play a man named Bernardo, who was caught from the streets quite off guardo by a wandering thug who would give me a slug till the ghost comes to play Cardo.
Do you bite your thumb at me, sir?
Hang on, I'm trying to remember the scene.
Do you bite your thumb at me, sir?
I do not bite my thumb, sir, but I do scratch my head, sir.
Well, do you quarrel, sir?
Quarrel, sir? No, sir.
If you do, sir, I am for you, sir. I serve as good a man as you, sir.
No, better, sir.
Yes, better, sir. What do you do?
I'm in complete agreement, sir. Yes, sir. I want no trouble, sir. Absolutely, sir. Whatever you say, sir. I broke a nail. Intruder guards, help!
Ooh, this show sucks so far.
Please break me off. Look where it comes.
Oh no, it's Sean Connery in the Ghost of the King of Denmark.
Rebellious subjects. Enemies to peace, profaners of the name of stained steel. My slumber has been shaken and stirred.
The same image of the king that's dead.
Oh, what art thou then at this time of night, together with that fair and totally warlike form, in which the majesty of very Denmark did sometimes march? I charge thee, speak!
Oh, I'm
offended.
Zardoz.
No, stay! Speak! Here, boy, lie down. Roll over. I can't see. There's a gong, be careful.
Oh, where is Hamlet? Saw you him today? It's rhetorical, don't worry about it. Right glad I am that he was not in this fray. See where it comes, so please you step aside. I'll know his grievance, or be much denied. Now entering into our modest set, the hero of the show, Hamlet. Good morrow, cousin.
Is the day too young or not too young?
Well,
Dear
sure, not too young. But a new struck time.
The sad hours seem long.
Oh, what sadness lengthens Hamlet's hours.
Let me. Frailty, thy name is woman, right?
It's Bernardo, actually, I just see.
Oh, yeah.
What?
Oh, nothing.
You know what to think of?
I don't want to think of. Oh, thank you very much. New show!